Hey guys, this is Joy Cho from Oh Joy. I've partnered today with Daisy Sour Cream to share with you one of my favorite recipes for the holidays. I love baked potatoes, but they're not easy to share. So here's a loaded baked potato dip, perfect for holiday gatherings. I've got my water boiling, and now I'm going to add my chopped and peeled potatoes to the boiling water. Now I'll chop up some scallions. This is such a great homey dish for the holidays. I love the comfort of a baked potato, especially a loaded baked potato. So this is like making it for a whole group to share. It's perfect for parties and holiday gatherings. Okay, scallions are going into the bowl. I'm gonna add some cooked and chopped bacon, garlic powder, salt. I'm gonna add some softened cream cheese, Daisy sour cream, which is gonna make it extra rich. So good. And some sharp shredded cheddar. Just give it a good mix and get all the ingredients combined together. The ingredients are coming together. Now I'm gonna add some of the boiled potatoes. These look nice and soft. Add them to our mixture. So here you want to do a combination of mashing and mixing. So I have my mashed potato mixer, which I will use to flatten out some of those potatoes, which will help to get those potatoes nice and combined with the rest of the ingredients. And then I'll continue to mix it all together. This is looking so good. It should be nice and colorful and full of texture. Okay, we're gonna use a small casserole dish today, which I'm putting on top of a baking pan to make it easier to pull out of the oven when we're ready. All right, so fill the casserole dish with these delicious ingredients all mixed together. And then we'll just smooth it out. This is gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. I love serving this dip with some beautiful, delicious vegetables. So while that's cooking in the oven, I'm gonna get a few more to chop up and put together. I've got some beautiful rainbow carrots and radishes, some celery, broccolini, purple cauliflower, and some beautiful watermelon radishes. I'm gonna chop everything up into perfect bite-sized pieces. Colors of these vegetables are so beautiful. They even fit the Christmas season. My dip is just about ready, so I'm gonna pull that out of the oven and put it on a beautiful board and arrange it with the vegetables. Okay, here it is. It looks so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna take all these beautiful vegetables and put them around the dip. The sour cream is such a great complement to these crispy, fresh veggies. Now you can either mix it up the way that you arrange it, or for me, I like to create zones. I like to put different vegetables in different areas. They all stay together, and so people can get excited about going around and trying each one. This is a really fun thing for your kids to help you out with because they can arrange as they wish. They might make up some ideas of how vegetables should be placed or what should go with what. And so have fun with it. Okay, so now we have this beautiful balance of color, all these delicious vegetables, and this dip that is just ready to go and perfect for sharing. This is gonna be such a favorite of your guests for the holidays. Something they're gonna love. It's so comforting and delicious. I hope you enjoy it.